So to drain the oil, get a 19mm socket or spanner, and then loosen the drain bolt. And then just wait for it to finish draining. So remove the washer from the old sump plug and clean it up, and then get a new washer and fit that on, and then we're going to go and install it into the car. Make sure the car's finished draining. It's just doing a slow drip every now and again, so we're ready to install it. So now we're going to tighten it up, and then we're going to torque it. So now we're just going to do it up a little bit, and then we can torque it up. And then once it's torqued, then we're going to start removing the oil filter. So here's your oil filter housing, and we're going to remove it. So get your oil filter removal tool and then just start to undo it. Make sure you've got a drain pan underneath to catch any oil that comes out. Once it gets to the point where you can undo it by hand, then just start undoing it by hand. Some oil should start coming out. So when you take the filter out, just be careful, because there's going to be a bit of oil in the filter, just so it doesn't go everywhere. It's just going to leak out a little bit. So just pour out whatever's in there. Then we're going to clean up the face where the oil filter seats to. Let's just wipe around the face. Now we'll go and get the filter ready for to go on. Get a little bit of oil and just seat it around the outer edge onto the rubber seal, so that way it sits a bit better. Once you've done that all the way around, then we're ready to install it. I don't know if I just filmed that. I think I did, but I'm not too sure. But if I didn't, just basically put it on, tighten it up, and it should go on quite easily and just quite smoothly. Tighten it up as much as you can by hand, and then that's it. That's as tight as you need to go. Then we'll clean up the rest of this face. Okay, so that's all cleaned up, and the sump plug's all cleaned up and tight. So now we're ready to install the engine oil. So remove the oil cap. Then we're going to put a funnel in just to help a little bit, and then we're going to add 4 litres of 5W40 fully synthetic oil. So once you put in the oil, you can remove the funnel, then put the oil cap back on. Then we're going to check the oil level. Okay, so we've got enough oil. So now we're going to start the car. We're going to let the engine run. We're going to check to make sure it's not leaking from the oil filter or the sump plug, and then we're going to switch the car off, let it sit for a few minutes, check to see if the oil level's okay and if it needs topping up, and then you're done. So now we check to make sure that there's no leaks, and we had it running. We're just going to put the under tray back on. slide the front in like that, then line up some of the screw holes. Just start doing them up by hand. Once you've done all of them, tighten them all up, lower the car, and then you can check the oil level for the last time. So just check the oil level and it's at a good level. Now you're done. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.